give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above. My girl, you know you're good so. Anything you need, let me know.
And the girls are pretty. An 80s rock and roll wannabe. Yeah.
So we made it to Martinique after a great sail, and this place is just awesome. It's beautiful and well manicured, and got pretty much everything that a tourist would want. It is French, which makes it a little difficult.
Because they don't speak English.
Yeah, they speak very, very little English here. Anyhow, we've been down in Fort-de-France in there for 3 or 4 days. We did a lot of boat maintenance, which has been like just a lot of work, and we're worn out. We got to replace a piece of track and the new car, which is down there. And we got to take the sail bag in for a little bit of work tomorrow, and I got to replace.
You make that sound like that's going to be easy. Okay, so a sail car is that little device right there that connects to the sail that helps raise it, and then that is the track.
Replacing the new track took a lot longer than we had anticipated.
So we are at Mount Pelée in Martinique. This was the volcano that erupted, I think, in 1902 and killed 30,000 people in Saint-Pierre. And Saint-Pierre is where we're going to go to next. But we've traveled the island around today, and we've seen some really cool tropical rainforest. Everything is always cool and neat.
Birds of paradise.
Birds of paradise, huge ferns. I mean, the roads here are just amazing. Like, you want to take a picture of every single turn. Just, it's awesome. Little waterfalls.
I think
tried. And we are going to anchor tonight in Saint-Pierre, right below the dormant volcano of Mount Pelée.
While we visited Saint-Pierre on shore, we learned of the horrible day in 1902 when the volcano did erupt and 30,000 people were killed. Even the boats in the bay did not make it out. Although this was a horrific event, it was a historical lesson for the kids.
What are you sitting on?
Cannon.
Next up was to explore underwater in the Bay of Saint-Pierre. We snorkeled the cool statue and all of a sudden found lionfish, so the hunt for lionfish was on.
Doing a double take, pointing the finger at it.
What'd you guys get?
Lionfish.
How many?
11.
No way.
At that one dive spot? Yeah. There was a rock covered with probably 30 of them.
I mean, there's a forest of them.
And I'm wondering where the lions are. I'm wondering where the lions are. I'm wondering where the lions are.
Visiting the Martinique Zoo was really, really cool. It was a mixture of botanical gardens and ruins from an estate that the volcano had destroyed, and not to mention just the beautiful grounds and the animals. It was really, really awesome.
One at a time. Jump.
Lay down.
I don't like this. Bob! Quit, boy! Seriously! Are you the butterfly whisperer?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you see it?
Don't lean back, Tuck. I did not put it on your head, I promise. So this is a new kind of sea cucumber, right?
Yeah, it's one of the most fragile. And I ran out of breath, and I felt lightheaded as I came up because I had to come up so slow, or else it would just melt like paper. And I haven't actually taken it out of the water yet.
Look at the bottom. It's very smushy.
It is.
I mean, it's...
And it moves a lot. If you watch it just for a sec, it moves very fast for a sea cucumber.
We can, and we have enjoyed their wine and their bread and their cheeses and the pastries and the baguettes, and we have really enjoyed the food. We always enjoy food, but we've really enjoyed this food.
After getting some much needed boat repairs done and some exploring in Martinique, we head north for Guadeloupe. To break up our trip, we stayed overnight in Dominica. And as always, anytime we sail, there is always an adventure.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave. Wave after wave, wave after wave. Slowly.
There's Coco.
Yeah, what are you having, Tuck?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, bingo. Guava. Is it good?
I can see the sands on the horizon every time.
After the cool, refreshing treat, we walked through town and then hiked the hill to Fort Napoleon.
Wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, drifting away. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream.
I've heard that octopuses, they have shells from when they've eaten, like, I don't know, crabs or like hermit crabs and stuff, or snails, and they'll have all these shells around their little den. And I found this big conch shell, and I noticed a little tentacle sticking out, and I looked in it and I was like, oh god, it's an octopus, and I brought it up here. He ate it!
Roll it over.
Oh God, Law!
Oh, dang. He's sinking. That is a mad octopus.
That's awesome.
Oh, God.
Can we keep him as a pet?
Oh, God. Oh, he's squirting better. That is a mad octopus.
Okay, here, let me get up there.
I want to stick my hand in there.
No way, no.
Oh, he's climbing.
Not for long. I'm knocking
No,
back in there.
Mom, let me get him on video.
No, he's going to climb out.
Oh.
No, he won't.
Yeah, he will.
He has pinchers.
Yeah, they've got little
Peach.
Suction cups. I got the octopus.
That's pretty cool.
Join us next time as we make it to mainland Guadeloupe and start provisioning for our next round of guests on Karis.
One time life sucks in the Caribbean.
On the horizon every time you are not around, I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly